Hi friends, I want to tell you what you need to do with carrots at this stage of growth in order to get a crop of large and long carrots at the end of the season. And I also have carrots on my channel in the playlist, a lot of interesting videos about growing and caring for carrots. Come and have a look. And now you need to do the following with carrots. As you can see, 2 real leaves have already appeared. Flat and long leaves are cotyledonous, and a real leaf is carved. And at this moment, if you have dense crops, then make thinning. Because the carrot is a root crop, and in order for the root crop to develop and grow large, it needs a place. He will be able to move the soil to grow, but when he rests against the same neighboring root crop, he can deform or even stop growing. Therefore, all excess carrots must be removed. This should be done all once in a season, do not spend much time on it. But eventually get a crop of large carrots. And at the end of the video I will show what you will grow if you do not do this. As you can see, I haven't thinned out this row yet. And in the next row, the extra carrots are removed. In thinning carrots, you need to follow only one important rule. Namely, between each sprout of carrots, you need to leave a distance of about 1 inch. We remove the rest of the carrots. And this will allow not only to get a large harvest, we will also get a fast growth of carrots. Because after thinning, each sprout will receive more sunlight, as well as more moisture and nutrition. And now look for comparison, one variety of carrots grows on this bed. This is how the carrots I thinned grew. She is big and beautiful. But at the end of the garden, I deliberately left the carrots without thinning, and look how small, crooked and not beautiful it has grown. So do not be too lazy to do this operation if you want to get a large harvest. And if you have any questions, then ask them in the comments. Subscribe to my channel. I wish you a good day and see you in new videos.